Hello, my crafty friends. It's P. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel. It's 2021. These are going to be projects that are gifts from friends over the holidays that I wasn't able to share. I'm not going to bore y'all with the details, but the week before Christmas was pretty nuts. But anyway, I am here to share the beautiful mail that I received from so many people. And for those of you that sent me a card, sent me a message, sent me a gift which was not necessary, but most appreciated, I want to thank you for thinking of me. I really do appreciate and love my friendships here on YouTube. I know I've been really lax this last year sharing happy mail, and for that I'm truly sorry. And you know, for the people that I've forgotten a few to thank you, and I realized it later, and I made the point of thanking them, and I'm so sorry. I don't normally do that. Anybody that knows me knows that the first thing I do is email you or text you, send you a message somehow via, World Wide Web to let you know that I appreciate you. And there were a few times that I meant to and got sidetracked and forgot. And for that, I'm truly sorry. I'm not perfect, you guys, and I've never claimed to be, and I never will, because there's only one perfect, and that's, him up there. So, with that being said, please know that, I do appreciate you. And if I hurt your feelings in any shape, way, or form, please contact me and let me know. The last thing I want to do is hurt the relationships with those that take the time to show that they care. And that is not my character. I don't have the best manners. I'll tell you that right now. I'm terrible at interrupting. I am the worst. But when it comes to saying thank you, I'm usually like right up on that. So please forgive me. And if you can, I understand. And, if we can talk about it, that would be great, Even if we just come to, terms where you're like, you were rude and I'm done with you, and, I will be sad, but that's okay. That happens. So, enough rambling. Let's get on with the beautiful happy mail. So the first one I received, which was in November, it was a winter card, and this was created by Tammy Stamping Therapy. I will try to link everybody below in the description box. And look at this, you guys. I love penguins, and she COVID colored this so sweetly. And the message, I just love this, Tammy. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I love this wood background. I love wood grain. It's like old houses. It just makes me happy. And inside, she just wrote a little note. She said that she meant to send these to me, and sorry it took her so long. Tammy, girlfriend, I swear to God, I mailed that pen. I had a giveaway last February, y'all, and that pin has grown wings and flown all over, I don't even know where. It's still MIA, but I remember telling Sabrina that I had it packaged up and mailed, and I can't find it, and I can't find the receipt for it either. So I'm on the hunt again to see if maybe, you guys, it's the medication. Honestly, it's the medication. It causes such forgetfulness, and there's nothing I can do because it overreacts with another medication I have to take every day. So, you guys, I am not that big of a ditz, I swear to God. But anyway, Tammy sent this beautiful card, and she said she forgot to send me these. Honey, I'm going to find your pin, and if I don't find your pin by the end of the month, I'm buying you a new one. Let's just put it that way. You may end up with two. So, these bats, she showed these on her Halloween, one of her Halloween videos, and I thought they were the stinking cutest bats I've ever seen. Look at them. So she cut me a bunch with the googly eyes and everything. And, you know, she created this one for me, so I know exactly how it goes together. Tammy, thank you so much. And I will be using these in projects coming soon. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You are awesome. Okay, so the second thing I received was from Tammy's, oh my goodness, Cards and Crafts, Creative Cards and Crafts. I had to think, there's so many Tammys. Now, please forgive the glare. I had ordered this piece from Tammy before Christmas, finished with the lights so that I could find a frame for it. Tammy sent it framed, you guys, all put together for me as a special gift. Girl, you should not have done this. Not only did it cost her a fortune to mail from Canada, but all the extra work putting it in the frame. Tammy, I so appreciate this. I love this piece. My husband, who never says anything about home decor, it's just not who he is. He's just like, yeah, that okay. You know, he's a man of few words, but when he speaks, you usually listen. But this is gorgeous. All of those pieces are hand punched. I can't even imagine how bad my hands would hurt after doing that. And I don't know how many of these you made. Nuts. Nuts. I hope you had help punching those out. Because, girl, my hands wouldn't even be able to move for a week. And then gluing them all together in the layers that you did. It appears to be at least 3 or 4 different colors of green on that wreath. And it is just beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I love this, and I will treasure this. And this will be in our home decor from now on. So thank you so much, Tammy. I really, really appreciate that. And you guys, that is my first video of sharing my Happy Mail. I have quite a few more coming up, so it's going to be kind of like the hauls. You're going to see a lot of them, but I hope that you will join me, and I hope that you will check my dear friends out. And again, Tammy and Tammy, thank you so much for your wonderful gifts and your thoughtfulness and just brightening my day. I really appreciate it. And I hope to get something out to both of you ladies and all of my friends soon, but it's going to take me a little bit to get caught up. Let's just say that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week and make a happy memory. Bye-bye.